Alright, so I filmed here back in February. These are the two units at my friend's church. The Concorde and the Goodman. And here's the Concorde. Cold, sweaty. 2020 510. And here's the dead Goodman. This thing has actually been out for 2 years now. It's pretty crazy. There's the data. Thankfully, this one's just for the downstairs, so it's not that big of a deal, but still need to get fixed. Oh, there's a shutdown at the Concorde. They're hopefully gonna try to get that thing out by this summer. Get a new unit in. So now that it's off, I can get a good look at the compressor. Because I didn't get to do that last time because it was running. Just gotta wait for the fan to stop. There's a good look at the motor. There's a compressor down in there. Cool. It's warmed up actually. It was really chilly a few minutes ago. But yeah, there it is. Down there. Might be able to reverse some valves on this side. Alright, so there was the Concorde and Goodman revisited, and a shutdown of the Concorde this time. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and over and out.